Hi, I'm David Fox, and you are just one step away from realizing some of your deepest held ambitions. I know, I spent a lot of time on the path of the seeker. My quest for the answers to some of the most profound questions we ask took me all over the world, to the Middle East, to the Orient, into the Himalayas. Some people are deeply invested in the quest, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, even physically. They want to keep seeking forever as if it's the quest itself that's come to define them. My question to you is this: are you ready to stop seeking? Start finding, tap your power, and start intentionally creating yourself according to your own design, as opposed to perhaps a more limited design developed for you by, say, cultural experience, cultural circumstance? Are you ready to stand up, acknowledge your birthright, walk forward brave and free and empowered on the path of mastery? Because you can do it. When the will is, the way shines, man, it shines. People ask me all the time, what did you learn up there in the hills? They ask me a lot about black and white magic. A lot of people think they're cursed. I get questions about how to deal with empathy, astral projection, clairvoyance, visions, how to create energy and wield it to purposeful intent for healing or abundance manifestation. Kundalini is a huge topic on people's minds, along with the development of their psychic senses, the most efficient and effective ways to meditate, or even the path to enlightenment and the yogic sadhana and kriya that promise to get you there. This program was developed to answer the most burning spiritual questions, those questions that kids like me are growing up with today and that adults haven't answered for themselves yet. It's my way of paying forward what my teachers gave me, and it's the legacy I leave for my children. Because when I was a kid, like you, I clued in pretty fast to the fact that this being or mind or consciousness of ours, whatever you want to call it, it's pretty unique and powerful. I got this from experience before I knew words like magic or mysticism or yoga. And then I met teachers who validated those experiences and intuition and taught me how to harness and develop my full potential, bringing me to the pinnacles of awareness so that I might finally arrive at a life of simple joy. My questions were answered. I know myself, as the Greek saying goes, and consequently all the gods in the universe. I've understood the dynamic potential of this mind of ours and how to put it to practical use in both the physical and metaphysical realms, as well as how to silence it, stand centered, simply witnessing the creation, balanced in being, in bliss. I've created health, wealth, and joy. My family is cared for. I have a successful career. The elements have been tamed, and my word finds its mark in the creation. Mysticism is not synonymous with pseudoscience, which is a lie. Quite the opposite. The scientific method has been my most stalwart ally in the process that led me to the Philosopher's Stone, and I want to share that with you. If you're ready. It's a trek. It's work. But don't you think it's time you found what you've been looking for? In this masterclass, I'm going to guide you through the process of basic creation. You're going to learn how to clarify your vision and create the momentum to help you manifest it. You'll learn to recognize and make use of synchronicity, Mother Nature's direct answers to the human nature and the communication we put out. We'll discover how to develop the steel of will needed to take your development to the next level, and then I'm going to show you how to approach this energy we call Kundalini, and how you might begin to untie the Gordian knots of consciousness that keep you limited in mundane perspective, or worse, suffering with feelings of helplessness. The mystics call this process of discovering ourselves and elevating our awareness to the heights from which we originally descended, the great work. And this masterclass on the stone and steel is here to empower and enable you for precisely that work. I welcome you to the class, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.